How to fix mic not working on Roblox Mobile. The first thing you want to do when close and reopen Roblox. First, completely close the Roblox app on iPhone or iPad. Swipe up from the bottom and then swipe up on Roblox to close it. On Android, open up your recent apps and swipe Roblox away to close it. Reopen Roblox and test the microphone in a game. Check your microphone permissions. Go to the device's settings, find the app section, search for and select Roblox and make sure microphone permission is enabled. If it's already enabled, turn it off, wait a second, and then turn it back on. Return to Roblox and test your mic in game. Toggle microphone in Roblox settings. Open up Roblox and tap on the More button. Go to Settings, Privacy and Content Maturity and Communication. Find the voice chat or enable microphone and toggle it off. Wait a moment and then turn it back on. Test your microphone in a Roblox experience. Finally, you can also check account requirements. Your Roblox account must be age 13 and have a verified phone number. To check, go to Settings, Account Info in Roblox. If needed, add or verify your phone number and age. Meeting these requirements can use voice chat and Microsoft features. Disconnect external devices. If you have headphones or a Bluetooth device connected, disconnect them. Sometimes your phone may think an external mic is attached. Try plugging in and unplugging headphones or toggling Bluetooth off and on. Test the microphone again in Roblox. You can also uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Not all Roblox games support voice chat, so make sure you're testing your microphone in a game that has voice chat enabled. Subscribe